Welcome to the MyGo house.
Hi, I'm Sunny. Sunny.
Hi, I'm Scout. Scout.
Phew! It's hot outside. It's perfect for
Swimming! Let's sign one of our favorite songs with JJ from CoComelon.
I jump in the water, we're going for a swim. It's a hot, sunny day, so come on, let's all get in. It's always so much fun to go swimming in the pool. So let's jump in the water, it's nice and cool.
Let's jump in, do-do-do-do-do. Let's jump in, do-do-do-do-do. Let's jump in, do-do-do-do-do. Let's jump in.
Thanks, JJ. Let's close our eyes and imagine we are at the swimming pool. Ready? Whoa!
Wow! We're at the pool.
Let's imagine we're swimming in the pool. Wait! We forgot something! Our swimsuits! Ready? Whoa! We are at the swimming pool. Can you sign that with us? Swimming pool. P-O-O-L. Swimming pool. Good job. Let's swim.
Wait!
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Hey, do you know the front crawl? Do it with us. Yay!
Great job! Thanks for imagining with us today.